So here in this video we'll look at how to enable minimize and maximize buttons in Fedora 44 GNOME desktop, and here we don't have min-max buttons here. So actually this one is very easy, just need to install a package called GNOME-Tweaks. So we will run the command sudo dnf install GNOME-Tweaks. And after installing the GNOME Tweaks package, go to application menu and open this one, Tweaks. And from here go to Windows and enable these two toggle switches, minimize and maximize, and that will add minimize and maximize buttons to our Windows. And also in the next two videos we will look at how to enable desktop icons, as well as we will look at how to add taskbar to the Fedora 44 GNOME desktop, and you will find those videos in the description.